Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this burgundy smoky eye. Most of the shadows that I use today are from the Bad Habit Royals palette. I had to dip into the Morphe 35B like always to get the more white inner corner. But other than that, it's all this palette. And if you missed last week's video, I'll go ahead and put that up in the cards and you can go and watch that one. So if you want to see how I did this burgundy smoky eye, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm excited to do some makeup. I haven't been able to wear full glam for a minute, so I'm so excited to beat my face. Also, if I don't say this in the intro, I got my nails done, so I'm loving this right now. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair to prime my eyelids today. I'm gonna take my concealer brush and I'm just gonna pat this in. I'm not gonna set it, and then I'm just gonna blend the shadows onto the wet concealer so it stays really pigmented. I'm going to be using this palette today. This is the Bad Habit Royals palette. And first I'm going to go in with the shade Air right here. Putting this shade on the outer corner. I forgot to highlight my brow bone. So I'm gonna take my Femme Couture Mineral Effect Baked Eye Color in Purely Platinum. By the way, what I use for my eyebrows, like always, I use the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in Taupe. And then I went in with the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Powder to set the pomade. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Rain down here. I'm gonna go back in with the Royals palette and I'm gonna take the shade Majestic down here. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe 35B and take the white shade in the palette up here and put that in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner and some lashes. I'm gonna be wearing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Soft Ivory. And I'm gonna take my Eco Tool sponge and dip in. Now I'm gonna go with my concealer. I'm gonna take my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade Light Natural and put that all over my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Coty Airspun powder. Use that to set my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour a little bit using the Anastasia Contour Kit in light to medium. And I'm gonna be taking this contouring brush and dipping into the bottom middle shade down here. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Butter Bronzer. So now I'm gonna take my Ulta Baked Bronzer in Radiance and go over my cheekbones. So now I'm gonna go in with my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. And now I'm gonna clean all of that up using the Coty Airspun powder and my Eco Tools sponge, using the edge of it. So now I'm gonna finish up the bottom eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the Bad Habit Royals palette again. I'm gonna take my favorite bottom eyeshadow brush, dipping into the shade Air. So there's that shade all blended out, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Majestic and popping that on the outer corners. So going back in with the Morphe 35B and using the white shade in the palette, I'm just gonna pop that into the corner a little bit more. Now I'm gonna put on some bottom mascara. I'm gonna be using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. That's what I use on the top too, by the way. Now I have the bottom mascara done, and I'm gonna brush off the bake and blend in my contour, bronzer, and blush together. I don't know why this step just seems to make like the biggest difference for me. Like I can't not do this ever since I started because it just like makes it so flawless. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like compared to this side, it just looks so much more, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Eclipse and use this to highlight today because I haven't used this for a minute. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. highlight in Moonlight Pearls, and I tried this the other day and I really liked it, so let's see if I like it now with all my makeup on. I did it with like no makeup. I dipped my blush brush into the highlight, so. Okay, I like that. I think I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Ice Cold and use this to highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna be taking the Tarte lip paint in, I think this is Birthday Suit. I'm gonna be taking Birthday Suit. By the way, this is the e.l.f. lip gloss in Champagne Glam. So the only thing I have left to do is to set my makeup. And today I'm gonna be using the Pearl Essence Rose Water. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on all my other social medias. They're all at dacocota. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, but my most active is definitely Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. But until next time, bye guys.